Hello guys, this is Victoria from Royalty Mall. Thanks for having me in another episode of what importation is. So today we are going to talk at length on what is mini importation. So simply in a clear term, a mini simply means little or small, while importation means buying from one country to the other. So merging the two words together simply means buying small quantity from one country to the other. So we have something we call MOQ. What is MOQ? Minimum order quantity. So when you are considering mini importation, you must consider your minimum orders. What are the minimum that I can buy from this country, from this manufacturer, from this supplier? What is the minimum? The reason why MOQ is very important is this: the higher you buy, the lesser your price. The higher you buy, the lesser your price. MOQ does not affect quality. MOQ only deals with quantity. It will never affect your quality. You still get the same quality, but the price will be so different. So when you are buying your goods, the first thing, as a mini importer, as a profitable mini importer, now let me use that word, profitable mini importer, that is any mini importer that wants to make a gain, that wants to make a very huge gain, you must consider your MOQ. For instance, if we have two people that is buying from the same company, the company says I can buy two at the rate of 10 RMB from China. I buy two at the rate of 10 RMB from China, and he said when I'm buying 100, he will give me 3 RMB. Those are three different things. By the time I would bring down my own that I bought at the rate of 10 RMB, I can't sell at the rate at which somebody that bought 100 at the rate of 3 RMB will sell. No. So that's why as a mini importer, you need to sit down very well. You calculate yourself. That's why most people today, they buy things that is more expensive. When the thing come, by the time they calculate their shipping fee, they calculate everything, they discover that it is more expensive than the price that is being sold here in Nigeria. So the first thing that comes to your mind is my MOQ. How many quantity? What is my quantity order? How many am I buying? Except you just want to do mini importation, maybe for personal use or for your personal. But if you want to do it to make more profit, the first thing that comes to my mind is how many am I buying, and what's the rate at which I will buy. If I'm buying so, if I'm buying this, how many? If I'm buying this quantity, what's the rate? If I'm buying this quantity, what's the rate? That's the first thing. The second thing is your shipping method. Shipping is another topic on its own, but I will still branch on it because we are talking about what is mini importation. So that means I'm talking about a very wide topic: your shipping company and your shipping method. We have two methods. We have the sea and the air. The air freight is very expensive. Everybody knows that. The least you can get is $6.5, and some company will still add their shipping rate, their custom rates after the freight. So when you talk about the sea, you are talking about the higher, we are talking about CBM, that is cubic meter. So when you talk about sea, you are then the weight of what you are buying. Let me give you an example. There was a time I want to buy some table. I told the woman categorically that this table you are buying, the weight it has weight. Maybe she does not understand what weight is all about, but these are the people that claim that they are mini importers. She said just buy it. The table is just like around 1,500 naira from China. When we bring down the table to Nigeria, my friend, we clear the table with 16,800, and even in Lagos Island they sell the table at the rate of 7,000 naira. She was just like, wow, you didn't tell me very well, you didn't explain. But the woman that taught us, this thing that I said, no, I'm just your procurement agent, and I've advised you. I advised you in my own little way. So as a mini importer, you must know your weight. So what is importation cost across, what is the weight of this thing that I want to buy? So all this we are going to take as a topic gradually as we move. So as you have known how to decide your minimum quantity order, yes, you must know about your shipping method. Which method will I use that will be more profitable for me? That's another area. And another thing you must know is that is this a trending product? It's still under what is meaning quotation. Because if you don't know, you just go and buy something that you don't. Your still take longer time, but it's really worth the waiting. The hair is fast, very fast. But when you are doing your hair, you must know that you must first know the weight of your product before you take it through hair. If we don't know the weight of our product and we take the product through hair, we might end up not clearing it, or clear it, or we don't sell. So we must know the weight. The other one does not deal with weight. That is CBM. This is in CBM, and CBM simply means cubic meter. So that is the volume we're talking about. This, you must be specific. You must have your area. If you want to stay on hair product, please kindly stay on hair. If it's kitchen utensils, please stay there. If it's children wear, if it's sneakers, stay there. By doing that, you will know the best, and you will have the best manufacturer. By the time you already do your sampling, you already do your visibility studies, you already sample your manufacturer, maybe you already buy from 5 different people from China, you will know the one that sell the best. Because factually, Chinese are the people producing for almost all the country. Sometimes when you chat up with them, you want to buy, they will ask you, is it African cheap? So you are the one that will take your own specification, that this is what I want. And that can only happen if you buy from one supplier, if you already know the kind of supplier you want to be buying from. So be specific. If there are some hair that we bought from China, they are just like Vietnam. Why? Because the company produce hair for Vietnam, and they produce for US according to them. The truth is that even their bone straight, they are coily, they are kinky, all their hair is super dupe, very good, very nice. So when you have a particular product, like me, I do many things, and the reason why I do that is because I pre-order for people. For my own specification, I specialize in kitchen a lot. So I already know my supplier, my blender supplier. My blender supplier already know the specification that I want. You know that for people that already buy a blender from me before, they know my blender will come in 2 blades. My blender will come in high capacity engine. It's always more expensive, but I will give you what you want. So they are the one that will tell you that the mass production comes with also engine, but you requested for also engine, so you have to add this particular RMB so that will give you what you need, and which I've been doing, and I really enjoy doing it. And another thing I do specialize in is children. So all these things, when you have your own specialization, you'll be able to control your price, you'll be able to control your quality at the same time. So thank you for staying tuned. Thanks you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please kindly subscribe, and if you really love the video, please kindly share with friends and family. And